Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to allow calls from smart devices on OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, here just click on the search option. Just click on search option and search for the allow calls. Here it has come allow calls from it does not write, so from smart devices it should be. So let's rewrite again. From smart it doesn't came, maybe this allow. Yeah, search it. Okay, just click on it how it is. So here is the allow calls from anyone, contact, start, contact only, no one. You can select from here. Suppose this one is this start contacts only, and this one is the contacts, and this one is the anyone, this one is the no one. So it has allow like that. Okay, and about this one is the do not disturb. If you want to activate this do not disturb, just click on this icon. The do not disturb will be activated on your mobile phone, and if you want to deactivate it, just click on this icon, it will be deactivated. And this one is the schedules. Okay, you can set the schedules, sleep timing, rule timing. Okay, you can set it like that. Oh, this is the sleep for the schedules. Okay, and this one is the allow notifications. If you want to allow the notifications, just click on this icon, it says drawer and other notifications types. If you want to activate, me I activate it from before, and if you want to deactivate, just click on this icon. This one is the status bar, this one is the banner, this one is the lock screen notification. If you want to activate from all, you can activate it. Okay, so and this one is the allow messages from, and this one is the allow calls from. This one is the ring for repeated calls. Okay, so it says repeated calls will be ring. Okay, 3 times will not be silence. Okay, and here it says silence media when do not disturb is on. If you want to activate this all, you can activate it, and if you want to deactivate, you can deactivate it. Okay, so this one is the allow calls from messages. If you want to allow only contacts, you just select for the contacts. Even the messages also same. If you want to allow only contacts, just click on the contacts. Okay, and this is the notification, it's same only the notification. You just need to click turn on this one and status bar. Okay, status bar is the here, this all the status bar. Okay, other notifications, I suppose I off this status bar. Let's see what happens when you off. Just give me a comment. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching.